Hey guys, so see this plane right here? That's a very, very close plane. That's a Delta Airbus A320, right? Seems a little too close, guys. I wonder where we could be going for that plane to be that close. Oh, and hey guys, there's a banana! That's a banana, guys! That's a banana. Spirit, that's you! That's you! Guys, look. It's Allegiant. That's Allegiant, guys. Guys, we've never seen Allegiant. This is the first time. I'm on a very, I was kind of confused, guys. I'm not in the normal spot I am where I plane spot because I don't really know where we am. I forgot what spot to park at, so we're just in this spot, plane spotting. And yes, guys, we are at DTW today, plane spotting. I won't have a lot of videos for you guys because personal information, but we got Allegiant. This is the first time seeing Allegiant, guys. Stupid fence. Guys, now it's super close. Oh, get out of the way, truck. And guys, look, there's a Delta 757 taking off. 757.